So, mag-e-extend ako dito. Ang ganda ng Christmas tree nila. Wow. Ayan. Christmas, Christmas. Christmas na Christmas dito. And so nice ambience. BKK Journey Hostels. Sukhumvit. So, this is very relaxing view. Ayan. Mukha siyang yayamanin, pero hindi siya ganun kamahal talaga. So, ayan, yung mga menu ng drinks, may coffee shop sila. And also, nagbibigay sila ng compliment, ganyan-ganyan na food. So, I stay muna for another day 1 again. So, hindi ko pwedeng sabihin yung prices, but they already put their prices dyan. Maybe someone already changed those prices. So, dito ito sa may Sukhumvit. So, Journey, Bakery, Cafe, and Hostel na hotel. So, ayun lang. See you later, friends.